Hi, let us find the implementation of arithmetical operators with our programs. Here I have created the program by name as program10.py, and we will go with the performing arithmetical operators over here. So in this case, let us concern with the inputs, say x equal to integer of input of the value I'll call enter first number. Enter first number, where we will take the first input. Same way we will take the second input also over here. Input enter second number. Now over this we will perform the arithmetical operations. So here I want to perform output value print x plus y, where it will return the sum of the numbers, and we will go with the multiplication division in the same fashion. Sum equal to, where we will express the input value of this, and print difference equal to x minus y. The same fashion I would like to go with the remainder value, remainder equal to, where we can take x percentage y, where we calculate the remainder of the number. Now let us understand the rising power of a given number. Print x power y equal to, where we will take it as an x multiplication y. So this is where it rises the power, and the difference on the quotient value we will find it here, x divided by 5. So is that where we can say x by y, the similar the fashion where we can take the input according to the other approach of our division to return only the integer part but not the part of the quotient with the floating value. Now let us understand the behavior of our program over here. Python, and where we will do the execution of the program, program10.py. Enter first number I have given as an say 13, and the second number I'll take it as an 2. So 13 plus 2, sum of the number is 15, difference 13 minus 2, remainder will be 1, and 13 to the power of 2, 169, and when I do x by y, that returns the value along with the floating. When I use double slash, that returns only the value as its quotient. Hope it is clear.